Assalamu alaikum KG2, this is Bushra Janjua, your English teacher. Today we will finish our page number 19. Let's start. You can see there are some words written in which a sound is there. So you can call them words. Okay, let's start. R, a, b, rub. R, a, b, rub. R, a, run. R, a, run. S, a, some. S, a, some. S, a, sun. S, a, sun. A, d, mud. A, d, mud. A, g, mug. A, g, mug. A, g, lug. A, g, lug. A, lull. A, lull. Fun. Fun. Fuss. Fuss. D, g, dug. D, g, dug. D, dull. D, dull. Okay, now you can see that there is a sentence written at the bottom of the page. We will read that also. A, g, rag. G, rag. D, o, doll. D, o, doll. O, on. O, on. A, at mat. At mat. A rag doll on a mat. A rag doll on a mat. Do the practice at home, and in the case of any query you can contact me on my email address. Thank you.